Hello there, for today's video, I will teach you how to activate your Windows PC for free without using any software. But first, I will show you a proof that my Windows computer is not yet activated. To check the activation, go to Start menu, click on Settings, select on System, then scroll down, and open About, and then click on Change Product Key or upgrade your edition of Windows. As you can see, my computer is not activated. To activate your computer without any software, first open your browser and search for Windows 10 Activator ZMD. Then find and select this website. There are other ways on activating your Windows PC, but we will scroll down and copy the code. Copy all of this, then minimize the window. Now, right-click on your mouse and create new text document. Rename the file anything you want. For me, I will name it Activator for Windows 10. Now open the text document and paste the code you copied. Select File and click Save As. In my case, I will save it to my desktop for easy access. Now, after saving the file, we can delete the text document since we no longer need it. Now to activate your Windows computer, right-click on the CMD file and run it as administrator. Just click Yes to proceed with the process. Now wait for it, it will take short time to activate your computer. Finally, the activation is now completed. Now, I will check if it really activates my Windows computer. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, select on System, then scroll down, and open About, and then click on Change Product Key or upgrade your edition of Windows. Finally, my Windows computer is now activated. That's all for this video. If this helped you, consider subscribing and turn on notification bell icons to never miss my new uploads.